Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Watch Ultra Double Tap. This innovative gesture lets you control your watch with just one hand by simply tapping your thumb and index finger together twice. It's incredibly useful when your other hand is occupied, allowing you to perform primary actions like answering calls, pausing music, or snoozing an alarm without touching the screen. The advanced S9 chip in your Ultra model makes this seamless interaction possible, detecting subtle wrist movements and blood flow changes. 1, 2, 5. Activating double tap is straightforward, as it's usually on by default. To use it, first raise your wrist to wake your Apple Watch Ultra. Then, simply tap your index finger and thumb of your watch hand together twice in quick succession. You'll see a small blue icon at the top of your screen confirming the gesture has been recognized. If you find it's not working, check your watch settings to ensure assistive touch is disabled, as these two features cannot be active simultaneously. 3, 5, 6. Double tap offers a wide range of practical uses for your daily life. Imagine receiving a call while your hands are full. A quick double tap lets you answer or end it instantly. You can also snooze alarms, control media playback, or manage timers and stopwatches. From your watch face, a double tap brings up the smart stack, allowing you to scroll through widgets. You can even view and reply to messages using dictation, all without touching the screen. 2, 6, 7. To truly maximize double tap, you can customize its behavior for certain functions. While many actions are set by default, you have options for media playback and smart stack navigation. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to Gestures, then double tap. Here, you can choose if a double tap during media playback will play /pause or skip to the next track. For the Smart Stack, you can set it to advance through widgets or select the first one, tailoring the experience to your preferences. 5, 10, 11.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.